How to replace a engine air filter in 15 to 20 seconds on again on a 2015 Honda Civic. 15 seconds. So clip, 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 take it out. Since you just have to wiggle it, slips right out. Here we go. Holy shit, look at that. It's dirty as fuck. Compare that. And then the new one just goes in here. Again, you lift the box. So, like this. Lift the box, just insert it in. Place it nice and snug. You clamp it together. See this right here, the little tab. Push it in, close it in. Snap, snap, snap. Boom, engine air filter, done. 15 seconds.